I was like 16,000, and I'm like, I had no choice because I can't drive without a mirror, especially the driver's mirror. It's very important. How will I overtake? How will I see what's coming behind and all that? So that was important, right? That was important. And besides, traffic officers were just gonna abuse me like all the time. I know for sure when I don't have a mirror, because nobody was gonna believe my story anyway. So they said it's 16,000 for the mirror, and I was like, and I've said this before. I see on the comments, some people are saying 16,000. It's a lie. Let me address you very quick. Pedestrians. I don't know how many times I must tell you these things. I don't know how many times must I tell you these things. There are certain things that you will never understand. I'm telling you. There are certain things that you'll never understand. You don't argue with a person who owns a car when they tell you how expensive these things are. Right? Because now it's not the same as you telling us that you're gonna get new sneakers, you're gonna get new Vans. No, it's not the same, dog. You see, and it's not the same as you buying Tanqueray or a bottle of VSOP. It's an Audi we're talking about. It's an Audi we're talking about. So you can't say I'm lying while you are a pedestrian or while you are driving Polo. This is not a Polo. This is not a Quantum. It's Audi. I paid that invoice. You can't say I'm lying when I'm telling you these things. You just have to believe. You only have the right to say I'm lying when you have the same car. That's when you have the right. But if you don't have a car, chief, please stick to your walking. Stick to your walking, chief. Don't make me off ramp now. I hope you have heard me. So it's 16,000. I paid 16,000 to fix the mirror. If you own an Audi S3, you would know that even one light, Audi, just the light, it's 50,000. One light, Audi, 50,000. Now, when we tell you these things, you're going to say we are lying. When we are saying one light, 50,000, chief, we are not talking about fixing your iPhone 6 screen. No. It's not the same as fixing your iPhone 6 screen. And iPhone 6 is not even part of iPhone category anymore, chief. It's not the same as fixing your iPhone screen. It's an Audi. You must rest. You must rest. These things, maintaining these cars, it's you. And the sad part about it is that I can't say you will see this one day, because you will never see this one day. With that attitude and mentality, when a person tells you that a Rolls Royce costs 7 million, you can't be saying it's a lie while you don't even have 700 in your account. How are you? Man, rest. Hi. So anyways, so I managed to pay the amount, and then they said they've ordered the parts. They've ordered the parts. They're probably gonna take, like, they said how many? 14 working, no, not 14 working days, but 2 weeks. 14 days. That was around about 2 weeks. I think that was like 10 working days. Then the guy said, but if they're found in the nearest factory, it's gonna probably take a day or two. So after 2 days, they were found in the nearest factory. So they didn't really have to order them from Germany. You see, so they managed to fix the car. Everything was proper. And then all was